Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and we are here at CES 2024 at the Foghashing booth. We got two colleagues or in the space that are together. Of course, we got Foghashing set up right now. We've seen these systems before, as Will is setting it up. Met Will over at Mind Disrupt 2023. We're probably gonna see them again. And of course, we've seen the C1 before. The C2 has now been set up at the house. The C6 is if you needed 6 ASICs to be cooled. And of course, they just deployed larger operations. If you paid attention to them on Twitter, they had larger operations deployed that, I mean, it looks really good. We've seen the mock-up at Mind Disrupt 2023, but they have actual deployments out there in the world now. And I think it was actually deployed before Mind Disrupt, but it was good to see how everything goes. Now, the dry coolers that you see here in the background are similar to the same one that I have, but of course scaled up based upon your needs, right? Whatever you're cooling. Here we have the M1, right? So the M1, it supports one M66 or M56. Now bear in mind there is 3-phase power that you might need for some of these larger ASICs or newer ASICs. But then you also have your normal traditional, 240 volt, what have you. But look how thin this chassis is compared. Like, let me just give you a scale here. So my hand, basically just two of them, and that's how slim this particular M1 is. Of course, we got the C2. This is a updated revision because you see the one at my house has two different plates. This one is just one, and of course, if you open it up, you'll be able to see the internals, right? Same pump that we're familiar with, same design. It looks like the holes at the bottom are a little bit more open to flow very well. LCD screen that we're familiar with at the front there to start our miner and see the thermals or temperatures. And of course, if you need larger solutions, they have you covered depending on your deployment. So make sure you follow them on Twitter as well as other social media platforms. And if you are considering or you're wanting to get into immersion cooling, they do partner with WhatsMiner Engineered Fluids, which is one of my favorite, Bitmars and Block, and they can customize the deployment based upon your needs. So check them out. I'll have them linked down in the description. And thank you so much for stopping by. We're gonna continue roaming around CES 2024. We'll catch you in the next one. Hit the like button on the way out, guys. See you in a bit.